thanks to our teacher for giving me this great opportunity to speak something before you. And it's my great honor to present this presentation. And the topic of today's presentation is very, very innovative and very interesting, and that is 3D printer. And thank you, honorable teacher, for giving us this very innovative topic. My group member are present here. Mr. Arif, Mr. Hassan Matabor, MD Rubel Rana, and Maruf, he is not present currently, and Mr. Abdullah Al Farouk, he is also not present here. First of all, I want to give a short lecture on 3D printer, and that would help us to understand more efficiently. And after that, I will give you the brief on 3D printer using this slideshow. Okay. We know that this is the age of modern science, so to say that scientists have reached the highest peak of invention. Machine has brought for mankind such comfort as a man can never think of. And the 3D printer is the greatest invention of modern science. And we are very lucky and very happy that you will be also happy that we, Bangladesh University, have also 3D printer device in our computer lab. Okay, now I'm starting my slideshow. This is the introduction. What is 3D printer? 3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing technology where a three-dimensional object is created by laying down successive layers of material. What is this? 3D means three-dimensional. In Bangla, we can say trimatrik. 3D printer is used. A process is called additive process, which means that it adds a very thin poly layer and edit and manufacture a very natural model using a model which is prepared by blending or Illustrator software. It is also known as additive manufacturing, as I said earlier. 3D printing is achieved using an additive process where successive layers of material are laid down in different shapes. It can make various types of shapes by using additive models. History. The technology for printing physical 3D objects from digital data were first introduced or developed by Charles Hull in 1984. In 1984, the greatest scientist named Charles Hull invented this technology. He is also known as the father of 3D printer. He named the technology as stereolithography and obtained a partner of the technique in 1986. He named this process or technology as stereolithography. It's a history of 3D printer, and this is the process from 1984 to 2005. Finally, 2005, we made the very intelligent device called 3D printer. If you have any questions, you can ask me after finishing this slide. Terminology. Terminology means by which name we can mention this, the alternative name of the 3D printer. Rapid prototyping, subtractive process, stereolithography, and as I said earlier, additive manufacturing. What is subtractive process? Subtractive process is what if there is a material which we can use in 3D printing, it will cut the layer and it will cutting the layer, and after that it will make real object by cutting this material sequentially. This is the real process, as I said earlier. This is subtractive process and this is additive process. In this process, it will cut down this extra layer and it will make it this shape, round shape. It will cut down this extra layer. That's why we can call it subtractive manufacturing. And this is additive manufacturing, it will make this layer sequentially and it will shape this oval shape. After adding so many layers, it will make it, and it will cut the extra layers, and it will shape this kind of oval shape real object. 3D printable models. 3D printable models is the real things we can see. We can print out everything in 3D printer. Before we can make some object, we can design it with AutoCAD or Illustrator software very innovatively, and then we can throw this data to the 3D printer and it will make it a real object. These are the things we can print it out by using 3D printer. We can use 3D scanning process for 3D printing. Rapid prototyping, slicing. It will slice this material and it will shape it like that. Printing. To perform a print, the machine reads the design from 3D printable file, STL file, stereolithography file. It lays down successive layers of a liquid, powder, paper, sheet material to build a model from a series of cross section. Finishing. How we will finish the product. So the printer produced resolution is sufficient for many applications. Printing a slightly oversized version of the desired object in standard resolution and then removing material with a higher resolution subtractive process can achieve greater precision. Supports are removable or dissolvable upon completion of the print and are used to support overhanging features during construction. Editing process. As I said about this process, we can now see the description of this process. Extrusion deposition. Use deposition model. Okay. This is the real process. How we can make a 3D model by using subtraction process. Granular material binding. Let me say something about this process. Granular material binding means very tiny element we can gather and make a real object. Granular means very tiny element. Yes, tiny element. After making a thing or after making a model, we will laminate this using these steps. This is the graphical.
Video আছে এখানে কিভাবে তৈরি করে?
I have the video in my mobile. If you
Attach any mobile or any animation or documentary about 3D printers?
Yes, sir.
Is it there?
No, sir. I have this in my mobile. If you allow me, I will show you. No problem. Mask image projection based stereolithography. These are the models of 3D printer. Each device is individually a 3D printer. Application: industrial users and domestic and hobbyistic users. We can use 3D printer in industrial section, rapid prototyping, rapid manufacturing, mass customization and mass production. And domestic and hobbyistic users, we can use clothing, 3D bioprinting, 3D printing for impact and medical devices, 3D printing services. These are the 3D printers greatest performance. We can see the scalp is made by the portion of scalp made by 3D printer.
ঠিক আছে পরে আর কি আছে তখন তো কেন বুঝাও ভালো আচ্ছা প্রশ্ন তাহলে করো ওকে করে প্রশ্ন করো
Voy.
What are the